How to automate zoom and pan effect in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and import the video or image clip you want to apply the zoom and pan effect to. Then drag the clip onto the timeline. Next, go to the effects panel and search for the zoom pan effect. This effect lets you control zoom separately on the X and Y axis for precise adjustment. Drag and drop the zoom pan effect onto your clip. In the effect stack panel, you will see the zoom X and zoom Y sliders. Adjust zoom X to zoom horizontally and zoom Y to zoom vertically. You can also change the position values to create a pan effect by moving the image or video within the frame. Since this effect doesn't support keyframes, any zoom or pan adjustments you make will apply uniformly throughout the clip duration. Preview your clip to see the effect and tweak the sliders until you get the desired zoom and pan look. Now you know how to automate zoom and pan effect in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.